Well, now that I've been milling all the lumber, this is the lumber that I have milled. And as you can see, I have them all on this side. They are 2.5 inches by 1 inch. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pass them through the router, and so I can make the groove where I'm going to be installing this one. So this is what is going to make the headboard go inside. And I already did some. These are the ones that are going to be in the middle. Okay. And this is the one that is going to go on the side. And here I have one piece for the top, and then there's going to be another piece at the bottom. So it's gonna get a little bit noisy, so that's why I'm gonna wear this.